Particle steel is the waste material after steelmaking, which is produced by magnetic separation, washing for many times. Particle steel ball press, energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits. After years of industrial use and improvement, particle steel ball press has obvious advantages, such as high pelletizing rate, low power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging. Particle steel ball press is widely used in resistant materials, power plants, metallurgy, chemical industry, energy, transportation, heating, and other industries. Particle steel ball press is composed of 3 parts, which are the feeding part, the main transmission system forming part, the main host part of the ball press. The core part is the roll.